Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Outlook where your account lives. This differentiates desktop from web because menus differ. Once open, sign in with the account whose display picture you want to change. Make sure you can view your avatar in the top right. That icon is the gateway. Click it to reveal profile options, then choose Change Picture or My Profile depending on the interface. You're starting the actual change now, so skip generic setup and go straight to the profile menu to proceed. You now upload and prepare the image. Click Upload Photo or Browse and pick a JPG or PNG file that meets size limits. Once selected, use the crop and zoom controls to frame your face or logo. Outlook prefers a square crop so the image displays cleanly across apps. Take a moment to adjust positioning because small shifts affect thumbnails. After you're satisfied, click Apply or Save. This writes the new picture to your account, but there's one more step to finalize propagation. You finish by saving the change and verifying it appears in Outlook. Immediately sign out and sign back in or close and reopen the app to force a refresh. This often updates the thumbnail instantly. Keep in mind propagation can take up to 24 hours across Exchange, Teams, and mobile apps, so be patient. If the picture doesn't update, clear browser or client cache, try another browser or device, or re-upload a smaller, correctly formatted image. These steps resolve the vast majority of updated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.